ScaleGrid's fully managed hosting for MongoDB Database allows you to create and customize an automated backup schedule. By default, your MongoDB deployment at ScaleGrid is set to backup once per day and retain the 7 most recent backups at a time. To customize your schedule, click the Backup and Restore button on your cluster details page, select Backup from the list, and go to the Scheduled tab at the top of the open window. Here, you can customize the frequency of your backups, start time, max number of backups to retain, backup target, and click Save to update your backup schedule. You can also disable your backup schedule in this window by deselecting Enable Scheduled Backups from the top. That's it for our Scheduled Backups feature for MongoDB Database. You can also check out our On-Demand Backups feature to learn how you can perform a one-time backup before an application event. As always, if you have any questions, please email us at support@scalegrid.io.